Hey.
Okay. Say hello.
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 My name is Juan Manuel.
Manuel.
Juan
Wow.
Manuel.
Manuel. Okay. So where are you from?
Spain.
Spain. Okay. And when you arrived here in Banaras?
2 days.
2 days ago. Okay. And what are the places you have visited in India?
How many places?
Yes.
Just Leh Ladakh.
Leh Ladakh. Okay.
Delhi, because
Okay.
my girlfriend work and live there in
Okay.
Delhi.
Okay.
And now
Banaras.
Banaras. Yeah.
Yeah, there are 3 different names like Varanasi,
Yeah.
Banaras, and Kasi.
Kasi, yeah.
Yes, yes, you got it right.
Well, but I don't know exactly different when
No, they are same
the
names.
same.
Yes,
But the Indian people use
mostly they use according to their convenient. They use Banaras, Varanasi. It depends on people to people.
Okay.
So, what do you do for your living?
what has it?
No, what do you do for your living, like in your country or wherever?
In my country.
Yes.
I live in the countryside. I have a olive tree, you know? You know olive tree?
No, I don't.
No? The olive oil,
Yes.
the tree.
Yes.
I work,
Yes. Olive tree.
Yeah, olive tree. I
Okay.
work in the olive tree.
Okay, you work in that tree, like plantation or something.
Yeah.
Okay.
Collect the olive or make the oil. Yeah.
Okay. Got it. Okay, so okay, so what is the main difference you see between your country and India?
I'll big huge different.
Huge difference?
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
like
different.
can you point out 1 or 2 difference, like one good difference and one bad difference, like?
No good or bad. Just a different because
Like
when,
what?
Yeah, when I arrive here, I'm so interested in your culture, your food, your religion, everything. For me, it's not bad. It's just different. For me, different is very good. Always is good.
It's good.
Yeah.
Okay. I really appreciate that.
Yeah.
Okay, so
It's
I have.
positive. For me, it's positive.
Okay.
No negative.
Okay. Thank you for that. And okay, so no, do you like the food here? Like
The food?
Yes.
Well, a lot of. For me, because I am a chef also.
Okay, so you are a chef.
Yeah.
Oh wow, that's great.
Yeah, I like the spicy food. And the Indian food for me is the most different.
Different, yeah.
Different food. in the
Different
world.
from European
Yeah,
food.
because you imagine, no? Imagine, no?
Yes.
The country you food.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
the different north, south.
Yes.
I love it. The
A
Indian
lot
food.
of variety there.
Yeah, I love it. The Indian food. Yeah.
That's great. That's very nice to hear that you love Indian food.
You know the Spanish food?
A little bit of not much, like
It's so different.
sort of
Yeah.
a little bit. So you speak Spanish?
Yeah.
You also speak French?
No, it's a bit,
She can speak French?
Yeah, very well.
Okay, actually I'm a French student.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm studying French in this Banaras PHU.
Okay.
Banaras Hindu University.
Yeah, we coming now.
Okay. You are going to visit there?
Yeah.
Right
The
now or?
This afternoon.
Oh,
I'm
this
I'm
afternoon.
coming.
You went to visit there and then you are coming from there.
Yeah.
Oh, that's great.
Do you mind to speak to our...
You want to speak French?
Would you like to answer?
On peut
Speak to
parler français,
Oui.
mais si ça vous ne dérange pas, vous pouvez parler d'abord avec notre conducteur.
You want me to speak to him? Yes. I'm not not very fluent and I'm still learning. So yeah.
But if you want to practice, you can speak French with me.
Let me finish this first, then we'll speak in French.
Okay.
So what do you do?
I am a cultural manager.
Okay, is this in any company or?
It's in a public institution from Spain called
Okay.
Instituto Cervantes.
Okay, so you are Indian representative of that company. Oh.
This public institution is under the Embassy of Spain.
Okay, that's very nice. What is the main difference you find between India and Spain?
There are a lot of differences.
What according to you, which you noticed in first glance or
Well, for example, the religion
Okay.
is completely different.
Okay.
And I think that in India, the religion is a very important part of the life of the people.
Yes.
It's not like this in Spain, not so important. Then example, I don't know, a lot of difference regarding food as well. Regarding the relationship with your relative and family as well is very different from Spain. I think here you are very, very close
Yes,
to each other.
close-knitted family. Yes.
And in your case, it's not like this.
Okay.
Maybe in the past, decades ago, but right now it's not like this. What else? Language. You have a really rich diversity in languages.
Yes, there is. You know, every state have different languages and their different dialects. Yes,
Yeah, so
that's
this
quite-
is, in Spain we have just 4 languages.
Okay, in Spain also there is 4 languages.
We have Spanish,
Okay.
which is the first, the main one, but then there are other 3 languages.
Okay.
Yeah, Catalan, Basque, and Galician languages.
These are dialect of Spanish or different languages?
Different languages, totally. Different languages, yeah.
Okay, so can I ask you a little bit personal question, like when you met and how you met?
Yeah,
Okay.
why not?
I'd love to hear that. Like when you guys first met.
Well, we first met in our town in Spain.
Okay, like
9 years ago, like that.
9 years. That's a huge time.
And at that moment, I was living in the Philippines.
Okay.
He just came back from a trip, no? So I went to my town from the Philippines for a wedding of a cousin.
Okay.
And the day before the wedding, I met Juanma in a bar in Spain.
Okay, so like you guys met in a cousin's wedding.
No, the day before,
Okay,
I went out with my friends.
Okay.
And I met Juanma in a bar.
Oh, that's very nice.
Yeah.
And 9 years is a quite long time.
Yeah.
So,
It is.
so what is the secret for both of you guys to stay together?
That we live separately. This is the big secret. You can note it down.
So like how you guys manage to be like in to keep the spark or keep the warmth or like even being stay in different countries. So
Well, I think that communication is important.
okay.
And then when you see each other after a long time, try to have a great time together.
Yeah, that's I think really good thing.
Yeah.
So okay, few more questions. Sorry to take a long time. Like when was you guys were like really happy as a kid?
So happy life.
Like really happy, genuinely really happy as something like, you know, have you seen a kid being happy? That kind of happiness.
Well, for me is to be right now here in India.
I'm very happy to hear that. Yes. And when was the last time you cried your heart out?
That I cried,
You cried
but because of happiness or sadness?
sadness, because of sadness.
Sadness. Few months ago because my mother passed away.
Oh, that's really sorrowful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Real cry just when my mother passed away.
So I think it's enough. Thank you for your